Visiting the KLB Doradztwo consulting firm in Katowice, you will find us at Ostrawska 1, Suite 4 on the ground floor of the building. The entrance is located directly on the Piotrowicka Street side. Here is how to easily find us. Driving down Piotrowicka Street, at the very bottom end, turn left into Ostrawska Street. Follow the road and just past the bend, turn left again to enter the inner parking lot. A specially marked parking spot number 1 is waiting here for you. After parking, take the stairs and walk about 50 meters along the building. At the very end, turn left. After roughly 20 meters, you will see a gate with our firm's logo. Use the bell, and once it opens, walk down a few steps and you're there. Welcome to KLB Doradztwo. If our main spot is taken, we encourage you to use an alternative option. Exit the parking lot, turn right, and after 50 meters, turn left. You will see additional parking spaces there. Park your car on the shoulder and head towards the buildings. On your right, you will notice a passage between the buildings that will lead you straight to our main parking. From there, the route is already familiar. Take the stairs, walk 50 meters along the building, turn left at the end, and after 20 meters, you will reach our gate. Ring the bell, walk down the steps, and welcome to KLB Doradztwo. Great to see you.